Okay, today I will explain to you about the 3D text, how we can able to apply in the model. Okay, so I can go to choose my architectural. As usual, I can draw the wall first. Okay, here one and here also. So I can go back to my 3D view. So you can able to see my screen. So this is my wall I created, right? Okay. Now, how I can able to place the text here? So I can go back to here and choose my model text. Here I can uh, leave it like model text. Okay, right. So when I select this one, okay, see now you can able to see this is showing like this way. So we cannot able to place, okay, in the vertical. So it's not supported. So why it's happened like this? How we can able to use this one? So when you go to choose this model text, previously you should be go to set. In the set, you should be apply for the elevation area, which area you need. Now you can go back to there. Now you can able to upload it there. You can apply the text. In the text, you can see here is the property. Okay. See, I can go for 10. Now what happened? So it's become like this. So I can go back to here in the text. So here I can use the textiles like this. See, again I can go back to my this one around 50. See, now you can able to see how it's working out. At the same time, when you select, go back to your materials. Okay. So choose your material. So for example, mood style. I just apply. See, now you can able to see the text. It's automatically created like this. Again, so you can go for the center or middle or left, anything. So right now I have to place this one to somewhere here. So I can go back to set, choose the pick line and keep it. Okay. Now as usual I can go for text. I can apply somewhere here. Set, go back to your text. Okay. So now you can able to see. Now you can able to see. We did this one. Text, model text sample. So both sides. So now I hope you understand this one, because when you apply these things, don't forget you should be good to find out your set. Okay, set is most important, right? Okay. See, now you can able to see how we can able to model a little bit better than this. So now I can go back to choose to architectural component model in place. Okay, I can choose my architectural. I can choose my wall, right? Okay. Now same thing, I can go back to my pick my wall. Now I can go to choose my elevation. Here I can go for sweep, choose the sketch. Mm, I can choose a sketch. I can, so it's very carefully we have to find it. So otherwise, it's going somewhere. Okay. So I should be selecting the correct path. So I can just go for text. No, I can go for here. Now I can go back to here and I can just drag it from this model. Now you can see, can just apply. So I can select edit. So here I just wanted to create some profile here. Okay. I can just go to choose the profile and apply. Now you can see how it will be working. uh, So this is a basic idea how you can able to create the text. So we can able to create this text more uh, advanced. So you should be go for the practice. So this is very helpful to you. So I hope you understand how to create the mm, text. Okay. So this is the easiest way we can create the text. Thank you.